I got this small sled from Target for $3. And I also found this peel and stick pre-cut vinyl. It came with 2 sheets, and it says Dashing Through the Snow. This was at Target as well, and that was $1. I took some fake snow that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just dumping it into this container. And using a small art brush and some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear, I'm brushing the 1-hour enamel onto my wood letters and dipping it into the fake snow. Now you could probably use Mod Podge, but I had the 1-hour enamel on hand. And I'm just coating each letter with the fake snow. And then I allowed that to dry. Once everything was dry, I took the word snow and I'm just going to glue it on the bottom of my sled using some hot glue. And then I took some more of the 1-hour enamel and I just brushed it on top of the fake snow to just help hold down anything that wanted to flake off. And you can add more fake snow to your word if you feel like it needs more. I took the peel and stick vinyl and some contact paper, and I'm just rubbing the contact paper on top of the word that I want to place onto the sled. And it just lifts it up, so then you can just rub that onto your project and it will adhere to your surface. So this peel and stick I got from Target for $1. And again, I'm just rubbing the contact paper on top of my words. And I'm just lifting it slowly. And as you lift the contact paper off, the peel and stick vinyl will come off of the protective backing. And then you're just going to lay it down on top of the surface that you want to adhere it to and just rub it off. And then you peel the contact paper, and then now we have the peel and stick vinyl dashing through onto our sled. I have some artificial greenery, and I get this from Hobby Lobby. It is about $2.99 and it comes in the bundle, and then you get the 40% off for Christmas. And I just cut a couple pieces off, and then I got this black and red bow. It's a pre-made bow, and you can get this right at the dollar store. And then I'm just going to trim everything to the size I want, and then I'm just going to glue the greenery to the back side of the bow. And you can hide it underneath the loops on the bow. And then I'm just going to attach that to the top center of the sled. And again, I use some hot glue to attach everything to the sled. And that's it. Now we just have this really inexpensive DIY project. And you can hang this by itself, or you can even attach it to the front of a wreath. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.